Hey everyone, this is Brian from Bam Reacts. Today I am going to be checking out the new In Heart's Wake song. It's called The Flood. I don't know what the reverse lettering thing is, but this features Winston McCall from Parkway Drive. The first two songs of this upcoming album by In Heart's Wake, I think it was Hollow Bone and Orphan. They've all they have both been bangers, so I'm excited to see what this song has in store. If you guys want to support the channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, select all. Please also smash that like button. But let's get into it here. Let's come on with Dave. Thus far, the song is really like the heaviness, the upbeat tempo, and yeah. Alright guys, thus far, at least in the music video, I am getting a lot of the Make Them Suffer music video for, I think it was Doom Switch, and even someone like the other song, Ghost of Me, at least visually in the music video. And I think they are all from Australia down there, and even Parkway Drive, but Winston was looking pretty ripped there. Let's comment.
Open your eyes, look to the skies. This is the day that your innocence dies. Rivers will rise, deafening cries. Welcome to hell, it's the night that you meet your demise.
Alright guys, that was In Heart's Wake, The Flood, featuring Winston from Parkway Drive. That song was an absolute banger. These three singles, Orphan, Hollow Bone, and The Flood, I've never really heard too much of In Heart's Wake, but it's shaping up to be like one of my top metalcore albums of the year. With how heavy that it gets and whatnot, and this song fit the bill great. And I think I've seen, at least in the music video, a little bit of like the Doom Switch from Make Them Suffer with the green lights and stuff. I think that is what I was catching on. But this song was an absolute banger. Winston's looking ripped, as ripped as built as he has ever looked, I think, at least in this video. But yeah, guys, this song would get like a 9.3 out of 10 for me. I really enjoyed it. I really liked that ending. Like, there was like two different breakdowns that it seemed towards the end. But yeah, guys, I am super stoked for this this new album. I don't know when it drops. It actually might have dropped July 12th. Okay, so in a couple days here. But yeah, guys, this is fantastic. If you guys want to support the channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and select all. Thank you for watching, and have a good night.